Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable HDR on your Windows 11 computer. So HDR stands for High Dynamic Range. So basically if your TV or monitor you're using has the capabilities to display an HDR image, you will need quite a few different things in order to set that up. So pretty straightforward process, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to begin by just right-clicking on a blank area of our desktop, and you want to select Display Settings. You want to select HDR, and now where it says Select the display to view or change its settings, go ahead and click inside the drop-down if you have multiple displays here. And then on this page, you'd have the ability to go ahead and actually modify your HDR settings. However, this display does not support it, so I won't be able to show that in this tutorial, but you guys get the gist here. You'd be able to modify the settings from this page. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.